Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Taking a quick dash through the Junkyard at Cincy. See if they got anything any of my customers need. Found a couple things. Not everything I need. Somebody hit these seats. That's good. I think I need this glass from this mirror if I could get it. Let me try. It looked like it might be loose already. Let me try to get it loose. Here, he's having problems with his mirrors. Messed up, so I got him a mirror. And we're going to scan it for an SRS code. See if we can figure out what's going on with the SRS code. I don't know why he's got them halos on his mirrors. James has a key fob not working. Checked every fuse with an ohm meter, and all the fuses are good. Not sure why his key fob's not working. Stupid raccoon messing with the cat's food. I know I told him to get out of there once. Watch me creep up on it. Here come the cat. About to be on cat versus raccoon. Probably how that cat got beat up before. Ah, that cat is not messing with that raccoon. How about that? Process of laying the floating floor down. The box proclaims that it will be the easiest floor ever. And I must say, it is going down very easy. So your waterproof vinyl, nice texture to it. And it has glue strips that glue together. That's the upside of the glue. And the downside of the glue is black. Press it in the corner, make it as seamless as possible, press it down, move on to the next slack. Get to the end, cut it off, start the new row with that end you just cut off, and go on up. Absolutely no waste at all. So we'll need 5.5 boxes to do this floor. We'll have a half a box left over. I just multiplied the square footage of each box, which was 24. I divided that into the square footage of my raised floor platform, which is 130 square feet. So there you have it, nice and easy. Once I get 4 or 5 rows across, I'll push it in place. I just don't want to get it too heavy to push in place, but until then, I can just keep trucking along. My chariot has turned into a pumpkin, so I'm gonna knock it off here. But I have the floor in place. I'm trimming the front. I didn't have the back quite where I wanted, so the contour of the wall threw the back off just a little bit, but I caught it before I went too far. So you got about a 32nd of an inch up there, and it's down to about a 1/8 of an inch over here. So keep it about 1/8 of an inch off your walls. Pick it up when I get back. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.